Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to upload photos to iCloud, so let's jump right into it. First open settings, and then from here tap on your name or Apple ID on the top right here. After that, from here tap on iCloud. From here make sure that you have enough storage for the images and the videos to be uploaded. If you don't, tap on manage account, tap on change storage plan, and choose a plan that has more storage. Once you're done, go back and then go back again from here. And amongst these apps, find the Photos app. Once you find it, tap on it and then make sure that the iCloud Photos is turned on. And one of the features under it is ticked. If the first one is ticked, that means the iCloud version of the video that will be uploaded will be the original one, but the one on your phone will be replaced by a lower version one to optimize storage. If you want to turn this feature off and keep the videos on your iPhone full resolution non-optimized, choose the second option which says download and keep originals, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.